I rise to speak on behalf of my party Biju Janata Dal on the address by the Honorable President of India, Sri Ramnath Kovind ji, to the joint session of Parliament. I would like to convey my gratitude to the Honorable President for his lucid and well thought out address to the Parliament. The Biju Janata Dal, led by our visionary Chief Minister Sri Naveen Patnaik ji, has looked after the interest of more than 4.5 crore Odias for several years. It gives me great pride to say that Odisha has been one of the most progressive states in terms of keeping the pandemic under control, imposing safety measures, building state-of-the-art hospitals, reaching the people at the margins with welfare programs, and ensuring that the entire population is safe. He is the leader of the masses because of his pro-people, Dalit, tribal, women, youth, and also children policy. He walks the talk and considers people as the priority. He has shown the world how leaders should be: warm, kind, bold, proactive, humble, realistic, and also empathetic. Here I would like to quote lines from the Tagore for our Honorable Chief Minister. Power said to the world, "You are mine." The world kept it prisoner on her throne. Love said to the world, "I am yours." The world gave it the freedom of her entire house. The COVID-19, over the course of last year, the Odisha state government has ably tackled the COVID-19 pandemic and is a leader in the current vaccination drive to ensure the vast majority of the Odias receive the best possible treatment. The government has converted many hospitals into COVID hospitals as well as entered into the partnership with the private entities so that maximum number of beds are available for those showing serious symptoms. In fact, let me highlight the list of the first. Imposed lockdown even before the national lockdown, home quarantine, community monitoring, COVID hospitals in all the districts and cities, sanctioning online passes for buying essential, granting advance of 4 months salary to health workers, 3 months PDS grants in advance that continues, sanctioning special fund for stray animals, and even continues to work in the forefront. Even now, yearly start, effective governance, setting of COVID facilities, effective monitoring and surveillance, testing strategy, patient care, managing influx of migrants, capacity building, decentralized approach in collaboration with Gram Panchayat, involvement of the SSG, Mission Shakti are worth some points of mention as Odisha's response to the COVID-19. As our Leader of the House has already mentioned, Odisha government has always with the farmers. Odisha has launched several schemes for the benefit of the farmers under the ambit of Kalia, Krushak Assistance for Livelihood and Income Augmentation, and also the Balram scheme of worth 1040 crore to 7 lakh landless farmers in the next 2 years. Because of the able leadership of our Chief Minister, the rice deficit state Odisha has become the rice surplus state. Similarly, Odisha continues to be the leader in the women empowerment with 50% reservation for women in Panchayat Raj institutions. And our Leader of the House has already expressed our Honorable Chief Minister's demand for the 33% reservation of women in both in Parliament and the assemblies. Similarly, under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Odisha has become, Bhubaneswar has become the education hub in the eastern part of India, and Bhubaneswar has also become the sports capital of India. And we are happy that the next World Cup Hockey 2023 will be organized in the Odisha, and Raulkela is going to be at the world-class hockey stadium. The state government under the leadership of Sri Naveen Patnaik ji has taken up the Puri World Heritage Project, including and developing the areas around the Jagannath Temple into a heritage corridor. The Ekamra Khetra Development Plan around the Lingaraj Temple and a massive beautification and redevelopment plan around the Konarka Sun Temple, so also the Samleswari Temple in Western Odisha to boost tourism and convert these into truly world-class heritage destination. The most Sarkar initiative has a Gandhian core. Mahatma Gandhi strongly felt that people are the real masters and ministers as representatives of the people are the servants. 5T propel Odisha governments based on 5 parameters: teamwork, technology, transparency, transformation and time limit. This 5T scheme involves taking feedback from the people on the quality and timeliness and also punish accordingly. Even our Chief Minister has gone one step ahead to declare that all the people's representative will be compelled to deposit the asset statement.
Thank you.
Similarly, because of entire things, our Chief Minister has demanded a few things, that is the special focus state to Odisha, and similarly there should be the second AIMS in Odisha and also second Central University in Odisha, and also the convert the old university, Utkal University, into the Central University.
Fine.
And also revision of employees pension scheme 95, EPS 95, and also the classical status to the Odissi music, and also reduction of GST from the Kenduli from the 18 to 5%. So all these demands we have already made for the consideration of the government. So once again I thank the Honorable President for his detailed observations, and also I thank on behalf of our party Biju Janata Dal. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sri